Peter, someone just asked us, what is SEO? What is SEO?
Well, SEO is how you actually get recognized on Google, but it is a very long process. Think of it like putting on your gym clothes. That's just what you do to get ready for the gym, but it doesn't mean that you're healthy yet or you're fully fit. Now you have to actually put the work in, and that can be a long process. So it could take a few months up to a year to really get moving and to really get yourself ranked at both the gym and online.
So someone asked us, can you turn on the SEO? And we wanted to have a really good answer for what that actually looks like or why that isn't quite the right understanding. Think of SEO as going to the gym. Better yet, think of it as getting gym clothes. For us to turn on SEO, we've just given you a good gym outfit. Now you have to actually go to the gym and start training. It's not about just doing anything when you go to the gym. It's about doing the right things, the right kind of workouts, eating well, going regularly, and making sure that you're actually building the right kind of muscles in the right kind of places. So SEO isn't a thing you turn on, it's far more a thing you do regularly to get noticed by search engines and get recognized as an authority on a specific topic. I hope that answers that question.